Let's get started. Let me open this up. Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the setup that we were looking for, it played out, right? We did break the 30-minute low, so which is good. So we do have a buy to sell. So what I want to see is a retest. We are bouncing off the 4 hour 50% and the previous all-time high. So I want to see if we can retest 50% here. That'd be nice to see with the hourly close. Yeah, and then we broke on the hourly, so cool. See if we can retest 50%. As soon as market opens, we're gonna sell some of these XPX. We're up pretty nice. We're up over 100%. That's a nice swing. We held the hourly low down here on NQ on ES, sorry, and we broke that low there. Nice. Selling some of these XPX here. Let's manage these real quick. Okay, let's draw up the levels real quick. So we're gonna wait for a retest up here because I don't want to short the bottom. So I'm gonna explain the two setups right now. 1 second. So I want to see a retest up here, right? Retest to continue selling off, or option. That's one option. Second option, come sweep the data low, something like this, boom, and then come up. So we'll see what the market wants to do. So far, looks like we're gonna retest up here, which is good. And then we can see what we do. Just patient. Okay, it's working good. But yeah, NQ is a little bit stronger here for a pop than ES. Spies at the previous day low here. Actually, let me set this up here. Looks like ES wants to stay at the bottom of this range with a little bear flag here. I want to see the retest though. Alright, we just retested the 50% on the 30-minute NQ. I want to still wait, see what ES wants to do here. It's a strong push on NQ. I would want to see QQ retest. Let me see. Well, we are at the 50% on QQ also. I would want to see a tap of the imbalance of 580-ish. 580 would be nice. 900 psych level here too. Let's see. We can break this a little. We can short it. And that's 40 points away. Have we formed a new low yet? Nope, same one. 'Let's see if we can push up a little bit more on ES here. We're looking for sales. Yeah, bro, it's about to sell. It's about to sell model. Bought off the larger time frame. Retesting this break. Gotta see a shift now, but it's a long way down here. Gotta see some form a new low more up here. Because so far ES is holding previous day low as well off the hourly, holding that previous day low. See if we can retest at 50% and then we look for a shift. Let me make sure there's no more news right now. We have FOMC speaker in 20 minutes. And then Trump speaks at 12 Central. I want that 580 tap on QQQ, man. So we can still push a little bit more. Okay, come here, bounce, reject, break. That's what I'm waiting for here. Pop it just a little bit more. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Tight shit. I also gotta see QQQ close below 579.24 in the next 4 minutes. SPY is a little bit weaker here. Same with ES. Tap the optimal. Nice little rejection so far. We're right at that imbalance that I wanted for QQQ. This can be a nasty rejection here in the next 2 minutes. We would really need QQ to stay below 579.24. So this can be a pretty nasty rejection here. QQ can let go 40 cents in the next minute and a half. That'd be nice. If it doesn't, that means that 15 minutes gonna hold, and then it could pop. Let's see. 1 minute left. 20 cents is all it needs now. Seconds. QQ's holding that low there. It's gonna hold it, so it looks like here. Yeah, QQ held that 15-minute low. We did break the 5-minute low though, so we need to stay below 580.65 on SPY here for us to stay bearish on this setup. We are pretty much right at the premium. That's the area I wanted for QQQ to reject. I like the risk here for QQ puts, so I'm gonna add some QQ puts also. Window to the wall. We'll do the 578. $578 at 91. At 91. Nice. 97 so far. Very nice, very nice. Let's go, baby. Let it go. If we were to take NQ sells here, we're risking about 50 points to make 180 points. 50 points to make 180 points. Break above that high, and then we'll have the 1 minute low, and then oh my god, we break that 1 minute low. Cherry on top, baby. Let's see if we can get that. All right, cool. If we can now break 907, 23,907 on NQ, we can short it. Excuse me. We're feeling this whole imbalance here on QQ. Really good, really good. Remember, our stop is 5-minute close above 580.65 on QQQ. ES is almost at the 50% too, so very, very good. Yeah, QQ just filled the gap. That's what we took, and we filled the gap. We tapped the premium. Very minimal risk. We're risking about 40-50 cents to make $2 and like 60 cents, 70 cents. No brainer for me. I'm just waiting for NQ and ES here so I can short NQ. Make it up. Here goes ES, about to finally tap the 50%. There we go. There's a tap on ES. NQ might want to go sweep that a high. You can get below daily open. Perfect. QQ's at the high here. We need to close below it in the next 2.5 minutes. Yeah, that 15-minute held, so this is why I'm playing the 5-minute here. Let's go look at 30. 30 held, early held, yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm playing the 5-minute. Close above that, I'll stop out. If it stays below, then we're golden. We could possibly get a sweep of the data high on NQ and then reject. NQ would have bounced off that 4-hour retest here. I wanted deeper. I wanted weekly open or optimal premium. But we're about to tap again in the inverse value gap here on the 4-hour. Sweep the data high, and then that'd be nice to see. The thing here, minute and a half, is QQ can close below and NQ can close below. I will use NQ to close below if QQ closes above. This could be easily faked out. Damn. We're rejecting there. What a rejection there. 30 points instantly. We gotta break that low, guys. We held that low. Nasty rejection. I wanted to get in, but I was waiting for the sweep. Could bounce here, get a sweep, and then we can reject. But QQ's, I mean ES right at 50%, so it's good. QQ is below the high, which is good. We can possibly just reject instead of even going for the sweep then. See what the market wants. Nope, it didn't sweep. QQ swept the high though, but it didn't sweep on NQ. We're staying below the high, it looks like, in 10 seconds here on QQQ. Good. Alright, we're gonna get the break here. Yeah, we just got the break. I'm gonna try some NQ sells here at the daily open retest. There we go, 10 points, instant 10 points. Very nice. Nice. Nice, 15 points here, guys. Nice, 17 points. Very nice. Trimming some here, and then we ride now. Break even stops for me. Quick move. Quick break of the lows, and we just went straight down. Easy. We waited all morning, got paid in literally seconds. Very nice. QQ's back in profit too. Very nice trade there. It's patience. All about patience, guys. You wait to snipe that shit, and that's all it is. 20 points here, guys. 20 points here. 20 points. Make sure we're trimming some here at 20 points. 1.0 here on these QQ puts. We're up nice. Nice. 24 points. Moving down my stop on these NQ sells, guys. I have my stop at 18. Let's see if we can keep writing down. If we pop to like 45, that's okay with me because I would want to see a retest up here. I'd want to see, we would have to retest up here. That's what I want to see for it to be healthy. So we'll see what happens. But I would love a retest here. Same thing here for ES. See how quick things can happen, guys? Like, you just gotta be on go, man. You gotta be on go, bro, because market does not wait for anyone. As soon as I just waited for the break, I waited for the small retest of it, instant smack that shit. Man, look at you guys. You guys already banked. Remember, we have news and we have Fed speaker right now in 2.5 minutes. Maybe Fed speaker retests us to that imbalance that we want, and then another short opportunity. Or the Fed speaker pushes us up to the data high and sweep it, then we can look for a shift there. Watch daily open here. Give me 41. ES just retested that imbalance there. We can reject off that. And we're rejecting daily open on NQ here too. Yo, Kojo, what's up, bro? There he goes, the imbalance tap on ES. Let's see if we can get that 41-ish tap on NQ. Fucking Apollo, bro. That man's crazy. There we go. There's an NQ tap here. I have some profits. We'll take this. I'll take some sells here. We'll risk a 5-minute close above 65. 5-minute close above 65. Nice little 8 points. We want more though. Nice 10 points here, guys. You can either set break-even stops or you can ride it with the original stop. I'm personally gonna let this one play out because I want to catch the bigger move on this one. So as long as we can get below daily open, we're good. Which we're trying to hold here, so let's see if we can get below. Nice. Those 16 points. Get below that daily open. There you go. Get below, baby. Nice. We slightly close below. You stay below, bro. Stay below. Yes. Uh, break even stops for me here. Let's put those just in case it holds daily open. It's gonna try to pop for the data high, so I prefer getting a better fill than being dumb. So yes, it's trying to push. We held again slightly. Kojo, how you been? Oh, can't even roll a piece.
Why, everybody knows me, yeah.
Trash. Yeah. It's like toying with us here. This can be nasty, guys. This can be brutal. Wow, everybody knows me. Yeah. Mel's 18 points. I want more. Yes, trying to hold us up. Yeah, but as long as we stay below that high, we're good too. And we're staying below it, so pretty good. We're just toying around daily open here. This could be pretty crazy. Trap for bulls to make them think we're going to go sweep the data high, trap them up here, and then go for data low. Need you to like go daily open, bro. Stop playing with me. Yes, at the high. Bro, we're so close, like 1-2 points away from 20 points. There you go, 20 points. 20 points here. You can trim some if you want. Retest daily open and then reject, or what? Motherfuckers almost got me there. There we go. Back at 20 points here. See if we can keep going lower. Nice. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 30 points. I'm gonna take some off here. Taking some off here, moving down my stops and profit. Risk-free trade now, guys. Nice little 30 points. Waiting. Sell it all, baby. There you go. Come on. Let's go for these lows here. Alright, let's ride. Trump talking. I thought he wasn't talking for another like 4 hours, 3 hours. It's okay though. We made our money. That's all that matters. He can talk all he wants. We already made our money. Watch this nasty retest of the daily open and then let go. That's all they're trying to do. Toy with us. There we go. Come on. Just start letting go, bro. ES stayed below the high. We're rejecting the premium on QQ. We're rejecting daily open and NQ. We fill the gap on SPY. Down bit. I want that 96. We're gonna get down there, guys. We're gonna reject. Everything, all the levels here, all the rejections are telling me to continue down lower. This is just a retest to continue down. So off the larger time frame. You guys know me. I love trading off the larger time frame. We already banked, so we're already up nice on the day. But 96 will make me very happy. Very happy. Slide it. Back at 30 points here. Slide it to 96. Need it quick, not choppy. Remember, if it comes quick, bro, that's not good. We want it to come healthy. We don't want it to come quick. The quicker it comes, the quicker it leaves. Always remember that. Quick money isn't always good money. Looking at ass. I said what I said, bro. If I said 96, I said 96. We're about to hit it. Oh, you mother sucker. I like that ES rejected the high, which is good. just gives us 896, bro. Yes, it's the only thing holding us back here. It desires complete control. Oh shit, that's not good. Just be confident, have the patience, and you will get paid, guys. Yes. Boom. Spy 2 retested there. Yes is a 1. Yeah. I'm pretty much done on YouTube. We already caught a nice little banger. So I'm gonna end it on YouTube.